Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Mathematics grade 10th class. Today I am continuing matrices lesson exercise A, question number 2 given. Here two matrix between equal sign is there. Means this matrix is equal to this matrix. Means this matrix respective element. See example in this matrix, first element, second element, third element, fourth element. Similarly, right side also one more matrix, first element, second element, third element, fourth element. Like respective elements x is equal to 3. Like this. Understanding? Any two matrices between equal sign is there means that matrix is equal to a right side matrix. You already understand the meaning of equal matrix. Equal matrix in which condition the two matrices became equal means the given two matrix order must be same. Order must be same. Observe here. Given this matrix, how many rows are there? First row. In the first row, two elements are there. Second row. Means two row is there. How many columns? 1, 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2. This order is 2 by 2. This one also. One row, second row. One column, second column. 2 by 2. Both order same is there. The given data is correct is there. They did not have to check whether it is a equal matrix or not. No. This is given data. These two are equal matrix. By using this condition, finding x, y and z values. Very easy. Coming to the solution. Given, I will write down. Once again, I will write down the given data. What is that matrices are there? X, y plus 2, 3, z plus 1 is equal to 3, 1, 3, 2. Easy is it? Now, how can I equate? See, in this matrix, this corner first element equated to this element means x is equal to 3. We got it x value. Next similarly, see this one equated to this one. Shall I equate y plus 2? Y plus 2 is equal to 1. I want y value. Constant transport to right side. Y is equal to 1 minus 2. Plus 2 goes to the side. Minus 2. Finally we got it y is equal to minus 1. We got y value minus 1, x value 3. Similarly, see this one. Z plus 1 equated to 2. Z plus 1 equated to 2. I want z. 1 transport to right side. Z is equal to 2 minus 1. Z is equal to 1. Got it? Like by using the equal matrix, we find out the x, y, z values. Easy is it? Similar problem. If they give data like this equal matrix, find any variable value, you should go through this method. See, 3 is equal to 3. 3 don't want here, but we want only this x value want because this one equated to this one. We got x value 3. This one after simplification we got it y value minus 1. After y plus 1 is equal to 2. This corner element equated to this corner element. Y plus 2, y plus 1 is equal to 2. Z plus 1 is equal to 2. We got finally z is equal to 1. Easy is it? I'll go to one more problem. Next question, question number 3. Solve for a, b and c if here two sub questions are there, 1 and 2. What I am doing here, observe here. See here given data, left hand side on matrix equal to right hand side on matrix. In the left hand side and right hand side, in terms of a, b, c, some elements are there and constant values also are there. Here minus 4, a plus 5, 3, 2 is there. Right side b plus 4, 2, 3, c minus 1 is there. What to do now here? Previous problem avoided, same way. I will continue the solution. Observe here. See, directly I will come into the solution step. Look here. I want a value. See, in the left hand side, where is a? A plus 5 is there. This term. Right hand side, anywhere a is there? No. Means a plus 5 equated to right side. Understanding left side matrix. This corner a plus 5 element equated to in this matrix, right side matrix, this element. Means a plus 5 is equal to 2. Now I want a value means a is equal to 2 minus 5. Finally we got it. A is equal to minus 3. Easy is it? Same way. Where is b? B here not there. Oh, here is there E. This B equated to, in this matrix, left hand side matrix, this element. I am showing homework understanding. B plus 4 equated to minus 4. Is it correct? I want B, plus 4 goes to that side, B is equal to minus 4. This plus 4 goes to that side, minus 4. B is equal to minus 8. Minus 4, both same sign, we will do the addition. Next, I want C value. Where is C? C not there here. Oh, here C is there. This one equated to this element. Understanding? Okay. Finally, 2 is equal to C minus 1. I want C. C is equal to 2 plus 1. Finally, C is equal to 3. Easy is that? Okay. Similarly, second sub question in the question number 3. I will continue. Observe here. Here I want A value. See here, in the left hand side matrices, here A element is there, here also A element is there. But here A minus B is there, only here A is there. Because I will round up. This one equated to this similar place element. Here in the left hand side matrix, first element, in the first place element, first row, first column, corner element, equated to, in the second row, first row, first column, corner element, 3. Understand? This 3 equated. What happened? Solution, A is equal to 3. Clear? We got A value. How to find B value? Very easy is it. See, I already got it A value. This one I will take A minus B equated to this minus 1. I will write down here A minus B is equal to minus 1. A value I will substitute. This A value I will substitute here. A value 3 minus B is equal to minus 1. I want B value. Minus B is equal to minus 1. Plus C3 goes to that side. Minus 3. Minus 3. Now finally minus B is equal to minus 4. Minus B is equal to minus 1 minus 3 become minus 4. I don't want minus B. I want only B value. See, divided by minus 1 divided by minus 1, it became plus 4. Understanding? How I cancelled minus minus? Understanding? Divided by minus 1 divided by minus 1. Minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel. We got 4 is equal to B is equal to 4. Finally, I want C value. C addition with B. This one equated to this 2. I will continue here. B plus C is equal to 2. We already know that B value I will substitute here. B value 4 plus C is equal to 2. C is equal to 2 minus 4. C is equal to minus 2. Easy is it? Plus 4 goes to that side, minus 4. 2 minus 4. Subtraction. Greater number is in negative sign. We will get minus 2. C is equal to minus 2. Easy is it? We got A value 3, B value minus 4, C value minus 2. Okay. See, similar problems are there. You should solve. Example problems also is there. You should practice. I will go to next main question. Question number 4, exercise A. If A is equal to, here two matrices are there, A matrix and B matrix. A matrix elements which are there, 8 minus 3. B matrix 4 minus 5 is there. This order what is there? A matrix order what is there? Observe here. A matrix, order of A matrix is 1 row 2 column. 1 by 2. 1 row 2 column. Matrix B order is 1 row 2 column. Both matrix order is same is it? Is possible to do addition or subtraction? Is it correct? Basic point understand? When it is possible to do addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, when the given matrices order must be same, is possible to do addition or subtraction. I will do this one. How to do the solution? I will show. Observe here. Look here. Case number 1. I will write down the, what is that? Case 1. Find A plus B. Solution. A matrix I will write. In the place of A, I will write A matrix 8 minus 3. Give the space. Plus B matrix element which are there? 4 minus 5. Now, what I am doing, you know that addition means respective elements I will do simplification. 8 addition with 4. 3 minus 3 addition with minus 5. Shall I write here? Is equal to, use the rectangular box. 8 addition with 4. 8 plus 4. Easy is it? Next. First element, after simplification you get first element. Next element, minus 3 addition with, give the space here, minus 3 addition with minus 5. Don't write like this, should use bracket. Okay, close the rectangular box, matrix box. Okay, 8 plus 4 minus 3 plus of minus 5. where that element is having negative sign, that place you should use a bracket. Now simplification, what is the next step in simplification? Use the rectangular box. 8 plus 4 became 12. This one minus 3, minus into plus minus 5. Next one more step, a plus b is equal to rectangular box 12 minus 8. Now simplification. Don't do addition. 12 minus 8, don't write plus 4. This is separate element, this is separate element. After the addition of 4 also we will get same order. 1 by 2. 1 row, 2 column. 1 row, 2 column. Easy. Now I will do one more. By using the same matrices, I will do the subtraction. Shall I show how to do the subtraction? What is that? Second case, I'll write here. B minus A is there. Sir, the given question is B minus A. Sir. Shall I do A minus B? Wrong. How it became wrong? I will go to hotel, I will order onion dosa. If they provided masala dosa, shall I eat? No. I demanded onion dosa. Like which one they asked, that one you should do it. Don't change your, don't use your opinion. Okay, now coming to that one. See. Matrix B I will write here. In the place of B I will write matrix B 4 minus 5. In between minus is there. Again matrix A 8 minus 3. Between the elements space you must maintain. Between the matrix to matrix, what is the sign? The respective sign. What to do now? You should also use this arrow marks. This one 4 subtracted with 8, minus 5 subtracted with minus. Shall I continue here? 4 minus sign 8. In case this is 8 is having negative sign, minus of minus 8 will come. But this is having positive sign. Don't want product. Bracket. Minus 5 I will write here. I don't write like this. Shall I write here? It became wrong. It became wrong. Okay. Now. Minus 5. Minus. This one. Use the bracket. Close the rectangular box. Okay. Now simplification. 4 minus 8 becomes subtraction. 8 is having negative sign. The subtraction is 4 will come. Greater number is a negative sign, minus 4. Now, minus 5, minus into minus, plus 3. You take one more step, no problem. Finally, minus 4, minus 5 plus 3. Subtraction, opposite sign, subtraction. 5 subtracted 3 means you will get 2. Greater number is negative sign, minus 2. Finally, we got it. B minus A. Subtraction. Matrix B subtracted A. The result matrix is also, we got minus 4, minus 2. This is also order 1 row, 2 column. 1 by 2. The given matrix is order also 1 by 2 only. Okay. Like addition, subtraction, after that what will get the matrix also same order we will get. You are getting wrong order means that is you did wrong like this. Okay. Mathematics is possible to cross check our answers. Okay. I will go to next main. Similar problems are there. You should practice. In the question number 5 exercise A, here 3 matrices are there. A matrix, B matrix, C matrix. A matrix elements 2, 5. B matrix element 1, 4. C matrix elements 6, minus 2. A, B, C 3 matrices. Order what is there? You already understand order. You already how to write the order of the given matrices. Identification easy is there. How many? First we will find out rows. How many rows? 1 row, 2 row. 2 rows are there. First row, second row, 2 rows. How many columns? 1 column. 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. These 3 are equal orders. Is possible to do addition or subtraction. Okay. Shall I continue the solution? Easy is it? Coming to the solution. First one. What is it? B plus C is equal to matrix B. What is it? 1, 4 plus B matrix C is 6 minus 2. Directly I will do. Shall I do directly? Yes. How to do you know that? 1 plus 6. 4 plus into minus, minus 2. I am doing direct one step. You already matured student, you will understand because I am writing directly. 4 I wrote as it is. Plus into minus, minus 2. 1 plus 6 became 7. 4 minus 2 became plus 2. We got the answer of B plus C. Similarly, second one. A minus C is equal to matrix A is 2, 5. Minus is a matrix C is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to what? Next step? You know already. 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6, 5 minus into 5 I will write as it is, minus into minus plus 2. Okay, is equal to 2 minus 6 became minus 4, 5 plus 2 became 7. This is the solution matrix of A minus C. Now, third main, this addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, no difficult, you will do easily. I know that. Understanding? Okay. Now observe carefully. This matrix element, we are doing subtraction. This minus into plus became minus, minus into minus became plus. It will sign became changes. Okay. Now third one, what happened? It is little confusion step. This one here. I will write down A plus B minus C. I'll write down that matrix C elements. What are they? Matrix C element 2, 5. Use a rectangular box neatly. Okay. Now plus matrix B order elements 1, 4 minus matrix C 6 minus 2. Here these two. Shall I do addition? Otherwise, easy one more step. Directly is possible to write three matrix element directly with respect to say. Okay, shall I do that method? Yes. Otherwise, easy method I will show. This two addition is there. This is also having positive sign here. This is also having positive. This two addition is possible. So I will do this two only. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 5 plus 4. Then here minus remaining last matrix you write as it is. No problem. This method also okay. Now 3, 9. Close the matrix. Minus 6 minus 2. Now one more step. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. 9 minus into minus plus 2. Then is equal to minus 3, 11. This is one method. Okay. Sir, I will do this is having positive sign, this is having negative sign. Shall I do subtraction? 1 minus 6 became minus 7 will come. 4 minus of minus plus 2. 4 plus 2 became 6 will come. That one you should addition with this one. Otherwise, addition which is the first you do the addition. Next that addition matrices, result matrix, you should do the subtraction of another matrix. Another method is an alternate method. I will show alternate method. What is that? I will show. Look here. These three are this matrix addition with this one. This matrix subtraction with this one is it. Added 2 plus 1 minus 6. Direct step. 2 respective elements 2 plus 1 minus 6. Written 5 plus 4 minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 became 3. What is that? 3 minus 6. 5 plus 4 became 9 plus 2. It became minus 3, 11. Both answer correct? Yes. This is also alternate method. Shall I do this method? A minus B plus C? Yes, I will do that method. Fourth one. A minus B plus C is equal to matrix A elements which are there. Matrix A element 2, 5 minus matrix B element 1, 4. Matrix plus is here. Matrix C element 6 minus 2. Now I will do direct step. You know I told how can I do the direct? 2 minus 1. This element, this element, this element. Respective element 2 minus 1 plus 6. This one respective element 5 minus 4 plus into minus minus 2 is equal to last step. This three simplification is possible to directly. 2 minus 1 became 1 will come, 1 plus 6, 7 will come. Otherwise 2 minus 1 became 1 plus 6 as it is. 5 minus 4 became 1 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 1. Got it, dear children? Okay. 6 plus 1 became 7. Otherwise 6 minus 1 became 5, 5 plus 2 became 7. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, minus 6 plus 5 became minus 1. Understand? Vice versa, you do any method, but don't change the respective places of the matrices. The respective place only write the matrix and respective sign you should use it and simplify it. Easy is it? I will go to next one. See, easy, but addition and subtraction of two matrices is easy, but three matrices more than 3, more than 2 k means it became confusion will come. You will get wrong answer. Don't use your own method. You should use our method. Matrices method, not my method, your method. Okay. I'll go to next main. The exercise is question number 6, different problems. Wherever possible, write each of the following as a single matrix. Here 3 sub questions are there. First sub question, here 2 matrices are there. They asked, is possible to do it single matrix. How to do single matrix? With between what is there? Addition is there. Between here subtraction is there. Between here addition is there. Before do the addition subtraction, what can I do? You know that first I will check the given in this first one, the given 2 matrix order is equal or unequal. Equal order of matrix is possible to do addition or subtraction. Okay. See, this is 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. This is possible to do single matrix. This one, how many rows, how many columns? 2 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. This is also 2 rows. 3 columns. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 possible to do subtraction also. Here 2 row, 3 columns. This one 2 row, 2 columns. This is, it is not possible to do single matrix. Why? Because different orders. The given 2 matrices order is different because not possible to do single matrix. But these 2 are possible. How to do? Shall I show? I will write direct step. 1 plus of minus 1 plus of plus into minus minus 1. See, respective elements. Next to 2 respect to 2 plus of minus plus into minus. Minus will come here. Minus 2. Next to 3 plus 1. Next 4. I will write plus into minus minus 7. Look here. See, this is corner, this corner equating. I mean, addition to it. See, respective. Now, like this. Is equal to 1 minus 1 became 0. 2 minus 2 became 0. 3 plus 1 became 4. 4 minus 7 became minus 3. This is over. See, we got these 2 addition, this 2 matrix addition, we got a single matrix. This one, same way. This one 2 and 0 subtraction. 2 minus 0. This one, second one, 3 dots, 4 minus 3. Give the space. You will get single element, here single element. 5 minus 6. 6 minus of minus plus 1. 6 as it is. Minus into minus plus 1. 7, last one. 7 minus into plus minus 0. Final result is equal to 2 minus 0 became 2, 3 minus 2 became 1, 4 minus 3 became 1, 5 minus 6 became minus 1, 6 plus 1 became 7, 7 minus 0 became 7. We got this one also, 3 by 3 or 2 by 3, sorry. We got 2 by 3 order matrix, single matrix. This one is not possible. Why? Because 2 by 3 is there, here 2 by 2 is there. If it is here a 3 is there, it's possible to do addition or subtraction. Okay. Which matrix to which matrix is possible to do addition or subtraction? Understand? Condition number 1, only one condition. The given matrices order is equal is there, is possible to do addition or subtraction. Okay. I'll go to some more different problems. In the exercise A, question number 7, find x and y from the following equation. In this equation, in the place of variable, matrices are there. You know that equation means algebraic equations. A plus B plus C is equal to 0, like this. Identities are there like this. These are all equations. Here also, one matrix minus another matrix is equal to another matrix. Here 3 matrices are there. The matrices in the equation, in the place of variables, matrices are there. Inside the matrices, variables are there. Observe here. First matrix elements 5, 2, minus 1, y minus 1. How to read? Carefully understand. Minus. In this matrix elements 1, x minus 1, 2, minus 3 is equal to 4, 7, minus 3, 2. What to do now here? I am going to finding the x and y in the equation. What to do? Equality sign left hand side 2 matrix between subtraction is there. Shall I simplify first? Yes, I will do that one first. How to do? You know that? Right hand side only single matrix is there. You should write as it is. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 2 minus of x minus 1. Where minus will come, binomial is there. See this one comparing with 1, 5 minus 1. 2 compare the second element subtracted with second element. First element subtracted with first element, 5 minus 1. Second element subtracted second element. Next third one, minus 1, minus 2. Minus into plus, minus 2. This one, fourth element subtracted fourth, y minus 1, minus of minus 3. Close the bracket, rectangular box is equal to, right hand side, right, 4, 7, minus 3, 2. What is next step? You know already. 5 minus 1 became 4, 2 as it is. You take minus inside, minus into plus x, minus into minus plus 1. Next, minus 1, minus 2 became minus 3. Y minus 1, y as it is, minus 1 as it is, minus into minus plus 3. Close the box is equal to 4, 7, minus 3, 2. Observe here, we got left hand side on matrix, right hand side on matrix. These two are equal matrix? Yes. 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2. Equal is it? So given 3 matrices also same order. 2 row, 2 column, 2 row, 2 column, because these two we are doing subtraction. Next right side also 2 row, 2 column, because we are equating. Now what can I do? Look here, observe. 4 first element is equal to, say, right side matrix, first element 4. Equal is it? Yes, 100% equal will come. Here different came, you are doing wrong subtraction. Minus 3, minus 3. Finally 2 minus x, I will write down 2 minus x plus 1 is equal to 7. This one comparing with 7. Then I want x value, minus x here only. 2 plus 1 became plus 3 is equal to 7. Finally minus x is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Finally I am minus x is equal to 4 only. I want plus x. I don't want minus x. Divided by minus 1, divided by minus 1. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to minus 4. We got x value minus 4. How to find y value? Very easy. See now this one, this term comparing with this one. Yes, understanding? Now I will continue here. Observe here carefully. Y minus 1. Y minus 1 plus 3 is equal to, y minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Now y minus 1 plus 3 became plus 2 is equal to plus 2. Finally y is equal to 2, plus 2 goes to the side, minus 2. Y is equal to 0. Finally we got it. X is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 0. Easy is it? Same way I will continue this one also. Now observe here, left hand side 1, 2, 2 matrices are there, right hand side 1 matrix is there. In between these two plus is there. Is possible to do addition? Yes. 1 row, 2 column, 1 row, 2 column, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this one also 1 by 2. Now minus 8 addition with y, minus 8 plus y, x plus of minus 2 is equal to minus 3, 2. Now what is the final step? Minus 8 plus y equated to minus 3 is equal to minus, is equal to minus. Then I want y is equal to minus 3. Minus 8 go to that side, plus 8. Y is equal to 5, plus 5. Minus 3 plus 8 became 8, subtracted 3, 5 will come. Greater number is a positive because plus 5. Now this one, x minus into plus, minus 2 is equal to 2 is equal to, this one equated to this one. X is equal to 2 plus 2, x is equal to 4. This is like you should find the variable value of the from the given equation of matrices. Easy is it? I will go to next one more main. In the question number 8, given matrix M is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 2 4. The matrix M order what is it? 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns are there. Find its transpose matrix M. If possible, find this first one, M plus transpose of matrix M. Second one, transpose of matrix subtracted to M matrix. Shall I continue? First, I will write this matrix M transpose of matrix. Solution. Given matrix M is, I will write down once again 5, -3, -2, 4. Okay. Now, what next step? I will write transpose of matrix M. See, first row, it became the given matrix, transpose of matrix. How to write? You understand carefully. You already understand it. Once again, understand. First row, I will write in first column. 5, I will write that same place. -3 comes to down. First row became first column. Second row became second column. Look here. -2 goes to there. 4 as it is. Look here. First row became first column. Second row became second column. Same order different will come sometime. This is square matrix. 2 by 2, 2 by 2 came. But 2 by 3 after transpose of matrix we will get 3 by 2. Vice versa it will come. 1 by 3 after transpose we will get 3 by 1. 3 by 1. You already know that. Now, is possible to do addition? Yes. This is also order 2 by 2 is it? This is also order 2 by 2 is it? It's possible to do addition or subtraction. Shall I continue here? Observe here. See. First one, M addition of matrix M addition with transpose of matrix M. Matrix M is 5 -3 -2 4 plus transpose of matrix is 5 -3 -2 4. Shall I do here? Easy is there. Now observe here. 5 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. -3 -2. -3 plus -2. -2 plus -3. Understanding? 4 plus 4. Close the rectangular box. 5 plus 5 became 10. -3 minus into minus, -2. -3 -3 -2 became minus. 5 will come. Then minus into plus minus, -2 -3 became minus 5 will come. Okay, now what next step? 4 plus 4 became 8. This is the answer of matrix M addition with transpose of matrix M. Second one, what is there? Subtraction. Transpose of matrix subtracted with matrix M. I write the matrix transpose of matrix M. What is it? Transpose of matrix M is 5 -3 -2 4. Then minus matrix M. What is their elements? 5 -3 -2 4. Now here I will do direct. 5 minus 5 became 0. -2 minus into minus plus 3. Okay, now -3 minus into minus plus 2. 4 minus into plus minus 4. Finally we are getting 0. -2 plus 3 became plus 1. I don't want plus. -3 plus 2 became -1. Where minus will come, we will write compulsory. 4 minus 4 became 0. This is the answer of transpose of matrix M minus matrix. This is the addition of matrix M addition with transpose of matrix. That is the result matrix. Easy is it? I'll go to one more main. In the exercise A, question number 10, it is also one of the different problem. Given matrix A is equal to 2 minus 3. Matrix A order what is there? 1 by 2. 1 row, 2 column. Matrix B order what is there? 1 row, 2 column. 0, 2 elements are there. C matrix also 1 row, 2 column. 3 also same order. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Find the matrix X. Here one more matrix name X is there in each of the following. Here 2 cases are there. The given equation, here one more matrix name is X is there plus B is there, matrix B is there, is equal to C minus A is there. By using this equation, by using the matrix B, C, A elements, I am finding the matrix X element. I will repeat once again. Here B matrix elements we know that, C matrix, A matrix, these 3 matrix elements we know that. By using these 3 matrix elements, I am finding the matrix X. Shall I do? Yes. Look here. I want X. I will do X is the subject of the formula. Understand? Example, you know that 2 plus 3 plus X is equal to 1 is there. I want X value means I will make X is the subject of the formula. This 2 goes to right side. X is equal to 2 plus 3 become 5. 5 goes to the side, minus 5 plus 1. X is equal to minus 4. Like here also, here left hand side, X with addition B matrix A is there. What I am doing, coming to the solution, X as it is equal to as it is, C minus A plus B. B matrix having positive sign goes to right side, minus B. Easy, sir. Same method, equation we will solve same method. Now I will write the elements of matrix C. X as it is equal to matrix C element, what is it? Minus 1, 4, minus matrix A element 2, minus 3, minus as it is, matrix B 0, 2. Here this matrix between minus, this matrix between minus is there. Otherwise this matrix is having positive sign, this matrix is having negative sign, this matrix is having negative sign. This matrix all the element multiply by minus, yes, is possible. I will show how to do. Easy step I will show. I will not go to this to subtraction. Next I will do this to subtraction. Don't want confusion. X is equal to. Use the matrix box. First element this one. In this matrix this one. In this matrix this one. This 3 I will write down. Minus 1. Minus 1 after use the sign minus. Then this matrix first element 2. Next after before write this one you write this sign here. Minus 0. 3 matrix first element minus 1, 2, 0. With respect to between what is the sign? I written minus, minus. Next second this one 4 minus first minus 3 minus of minus 3 minus 2. Close the box. Easy, sir. Now what next? X is equal to minus 1 minus 2 became minus 3, 4 minus into minus plus 3 minus 2. Finally X is equal to minus 3, 4 minus 3 became 7, 7 minus 2 became plus 5. We got matrix X is minus 3, 5. Look here, given 3 matrices order is 2 by 2, or sorry 1 by 2. The result matrix X is also we got 1 by 2 order. Now same way I will do this one also. How to do? Observe here. Here also I want X. What to do now? This is having negative sign because this one only I will transfer right side. This two I will transfer to left side. Shall I do? Yes. A I will write as it is. Plus B comes to this side minus B. Plus C comes to this side minus C is equal to X goes to that side plus X. Understood? Okay. Follow this method only. Don't take confusion method. Now what can I do? I will write matrix C elements. 2 minus 3 in between minus B matrix 0 2 minus C matrix minus 1 4 is equal to X. I will do here simplification. Easy is there. Observe here. See now here also first matrix first element, second matrix first element, third matrix first element. I will use the rectangular box. Next I will write first matrix first element. What is it? 2. Here then this matrix after sign what is it? Minus. Next matrix first element 0. Next in between minus is there. Minus 1. Where minus will come element, that time we will use bracket. Now second element minus 3. In this one 2. In between what is the sign? Minus. Then here 4. In between what is the sign? Minus. Close the box is equal to X. 2 0 neglect minus into minus plus 1. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 addition. Same sign. Minus 5 minus 9. Finally I will write X is equal to 3 minus 9 is the X is equal to 3 minus 9. This order is also 1 by 2 is it. Easy is it? Similar problem I will give the homework. Do hard work, practice well. Today work you do today only. Good luck, all the best.